Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I thought that what I would do is, since there are so many foreigners that are in the United States for the World Cup this summer, 2026, so many social media posts from people's Facebooks and TikToks and Instagrams are saying how different it is to their country, and how restaurants are interesting, and how they've really liked seeing a different perspective on things, and how things are a little bit different in America than they may have thought that they would be, or their expectations were different than what they ended up seeing in reality. So I thought what I would do is bring you guys along with me. We're going to make 2 stops today. The first one is Ikea. We are here at Ikea. I know it's pronounced Ikea in a lot of countries, but in English, or at least in American English, we pronounce it Ikea. So I'm going to take you to Ikea today. We'll see what's new for 2026. I'm going to grab myself some lunch, and then later we're going to head on over to Costco, and I will show you what an American Costco looks like. So come with me inside and we'll go take a look. So when you first come up the stairs, they usually have a lot of different small rooms and the new things, new inspirations, new rooms, new products, things like that they have here. Very adorable. Now, in my Ikea here, the first section you come to is the sofa section. And they have lots of different sofas. I'm sure this is the same anywhere around the world. Sofas. That's an interesting one. Not sure I like that. And different covers. And they have a lot of self-service points where you can look stuff up on their computer. And it's a touch screen. You can look up products and design things on your own. That looks like a fake window over there, but it also looks like a typical American street. I'm sure it's AI, but looks like an American house. We move past the sofas. It starts getting into more of the side tables and coffee table section. Recliners, side chairs, things like that. And then this is the other side of the sofa area. Still sofas. These projector lights on the floor where they show you where to go. Then we come into here and more rooms. Cabinets, and then they should show you everything put together. Tables and sofas, lamps. Ooh, I need to get a lamp today. Maybe I'll take care of that while I'm here. Then we move past the coffee tables and side tables and stuff, and then we go into the TV units, entertainment centers, things like that on display. These are on sale. Plugs, more lamps. Then we're getting into storage systems. And they have all these different storage systems here. Cabinets. I have that. bookshelves, bookcases, more storage, cabinets, glass cabinets, china cabinets, display cabinets, curio cabinets, cabinets with glass doors, bookcases. Now we're moving into the bookcases section. Bookcases, shelving units, open shelving units specifically. The famous Kallax units. I'm sure everyone has one of these in their home or have had. I myself have several in my house. They're great. I love them. Ooh, new drawers. That's interesting. You can install drawers, cubbies, doors. Gotta love a Kallax unit. Ooh, I like this. You don't even have to, you do have to install it, I guess. 15 bucks. Not bad. Kallax units as far as the eye can see. My store is getting renovated, so the ceilings are still exposed a little bit. Okay, now we're moving into desks and office stuff. Actually, the reason why I'm here today is to look for stuff for my desk. I need something for the wall behind my desk, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put there. That's cute. I like that mat. Desks and desk chairs. This is interesting. I like this shelf thing. I need something like this. Maybe a hutch. They don't sell hutches. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with my desk. I definitely need something to put on the wall above my desk, but I'll figure it out. See, something like that. These are all children's desks. I need something like this, but this is too small. What if I got two? No, that's not gonna work. Adult desks, adult desk chairs. So many desks.
Ooh, this is nice.
What is this? Just a stand?
Yeah, I like this desk. Yeah, you're not getting this.
Which one? Okay, so I have this, the Alex. That's the desk I use at home every day. And then I have a table top. I have the Alex, one of these drawers, and then two legs on the other side. Okay, this is what I need for my desk. I need this exact thing. This pegboard. And I can hang stuff, I can put things here. I definitely need to get one of these. So what we need to do is we need to figure out where it is located. Usually they have a tag and then the location is down here, but I don't see, what is this? That's the lamp. So I need to find the area where this is kept. So I guess we'll have to go look on the computer that I just showed you and we'll go figure it out together. This is the name of it. Excuse me if I'm mispronouncing it. Skedis. I need that. Okay, let's go find that. Okay, so we're gonna find the product I'm looking for. I'm gonna type it in. SKAD. Skedis series. And okay, so I'm gonna need the pegboard. That's a great size. Oh, there's different sizes and colors. Let's see. Okay, I definitely want white. What does it look like in wood? Okay, no. Definitely like the white one. So let's go back to white. And I want the biggest one there is. So they come in 3 sizes. Here in the US, everything is measured in inches. So 14.25 by 22, 22 by 22 square, and 30 by 22. I definitely like the big one. So the big one, and this here, and now it's going to tell me where it is. I collected it in the market hall. Home organization. So I can do that. And that's it. I guess it's downstairs. We'll have to find it. Okay, now we're moving into the dining room tables and chairs section. They have so many different styles. A lot of plastic, a lot of white plastic I've noticed. Acrylic and things. This looks like my table, but it's not the same. I have a dark wood table at home. You know, it's nice to come on a weekday morning. There really aren't a lot of people shopping, so it's very relaxing. Okay, now we're moving into the kitchen section. Which one do you like the best? I love this kitchen. I think this is, I know it's the first one I touched. I mean, the first one I hit, but this is great. I love this. Love this tile. We just got a brand new kitchen because we moved a couple of years ago, but this is very nice. Everything looks beautiful. Just my taste. This is kind of like my kitchen too. My kitchen has white cabinets on top and dark wood on the bottom. This is nice too. Bread basket. How much is this? This is also pick up in the market hall and cooking and eating. Maybe I'll grab one of those too. That's nice. Spice rack, countertop organizers. This beautiful kitchen also. Gosh, why do I like these kitchens so much? That's the thing. You have to keep that neat if you have open cabinets. It's a little bit darker. It's a darker kitchen. Value kitchen.
So my question is, like, how would you set up for
Another value kitchen.
Is it just contacting them and letting them know?
So we just call your.
Okay, so this looks like a really masculine kitchen over here. Very cool. I guess if you're a single man, very manly kitchen. Looks nice though. Some more neutrals, natural colors. Faucets. Ooh, do I need a microwave lid? Don't know. Feels a little flimsy. I'm not gonna get that. Nice countertops. Cooktops. Refrigerators. Oh, look at this. It's like a little store. Oh my god, I love these little rooms where you could just walk in and it's like your whole apartment. They tell you. I feel like I'm walking into somebody's house. Yeah. Very cute. Oh, look at a washing machine. You know, I need a new ironing board, but these are rather compactly sized. I think I'm just gonna go and get one from Target or Walmart or something. This is so cute. Where are we looking over? Nothing. It's down there. This is like what your business could look like, I guess, set up to be like a bakery. Okay, let's keep going. Kitchenwares, things you need for your kitchen. Silverware, drawer liners. Gotta follow the arrows on the floor. So my kids have one of these. We call it an art cart. These are lids that they're selling. I like that. It's pretty clever. Ooh, a tiny one. A mini art cart. Very cute. Do I need any organizing things for my house? I don't think so. More shelving, more carts. Bathroom carts, probably. Now we're going into bathrooms. Sinks. Hi again. Sinks. Ooh, I like this. It's like a floating look. I wonder if you could put lights underneath that. That would be cool. I like the natural, the brown look. That looks nice. This is nice. This mounted piece. I don't really know where I would put something like that, but it looks like if you're short on space or short on storage solutions, just mount it to the wall. It's very nice. And this is probably the tiniest sink ever. Like, my hand is bigger than this size. I guess not this way, but my hand is bigger this way.
Right there.
Okay, now we're moving into bedrooms. Follow the arrows on the floor. Ooh, shark.
You see it?
Okay, let's see. Girly rooms. More masculine rooms.
Whoa, Nick looked like
Childish rooms. Gen Z rooms, maybe.
Put it back at me.
Very cool though. Not my style, but still very cool. These bathrooms.
Alright, we can find shelves. Emmett, we can look at, keep our eye out for a bed.
I love these little
Wait, this one?
homes. They're so cute.
Come here, Anne. This way.
Beds, mattresses, and beds. Okay, so here in the US, the bed sizes are twin, full, queen, and king. King is made up of 2 twins in width, but not in length. This is a full bed, for reference. Full bed. Both of my sons have full beds. This is a king size bed. So you see the width is like 2 twins, but it's longer. They're much longer. These are twin size mattresses for a single. Lots of different beds here. The other room was the mattresses, but here are the beds. You know, they have white beds and black beds and upholstered beds and wood beds. Beds with drawers. Honestly, I think if you have an Ikea in your town or in your state or in your city or in your country, it's probably exactly the same stuff. But people like to see what it looks like in other countries, so I'm showing you what it's like. These are all very cute. Just rooms and rooms of beds. And then sometimes they'll put, like if they have the blanket on the bed, then they'll have a little display of where to buy it, you know? Oh, there's the nightstands. Like for instance, they're showing this bed and this blanket, and then you can just buy it right there. Okay, now we're in the room with dressers, lots of dressers. And they give you, there's also maps here and pencils, and they have tape measures in case you want to measure something to see how long it is. These are all bedroom dressers and nightstands, armoires. And this looks like the hemless drawer, but that's not real wood. That's the real wood one. Ooh, wow, that's a good sale. $3.49. I have too many hangers. Okay, I always buy one of these every time I come. I'm slowly trying to make all of my hangers match. I know it's ridiculous, but see, they're building a room. Now we have all these PAX units and wardrobes. Pick your doors, pick your frames, your interiors, your knobs, your pulls, handles. Hi. Let's see what's in here. Yes, there's 3 different kinds. There's the bow axle, which is this one, which is basically you screw it in the wall and you add shelves to it. And then there's one step up from that, which is the Ordal. I don't know how to pronounce that. This is what my boys have in their closet. So it's like if you have an actual closet that you want to organize, you can start from scratch. So they put this in the closet, you install the rail, and then you have drawers. Here it is in white. My boys have it in the gray, in the dark gray, just like this. So they got the drawers, hangers, everything. And they even have baskets. That's the color my kids have, the gray one. It looks really nice. I love it. So there's three levels, you know, the Pax, which is the freestanding one, the Ordal, which is this one, which goes into a closet, like if you have an actual closet that you want to put it in, and then the other one. Vanities. Changing screens. Oh, if you follow my channel, I like to bring one of these. This is not the exact same one, but I'll show you. I like it for cruise ships, so I'll show you that in a little bit. My favorite parts in Ikea is the kids section. They have such cute stuff. They have rooms, all designed, loft beds, desks, really, really cute stuff. Little furnitures, cubbies, little tiny beds, junior beds, little play areas for the kids, mattresses, duvets, all that stuff. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, that's adorable. That's new. What is this? $149, open storage. Fleece set. That TV is super loud. More kids' furniture. We used to have the wood ones when my boys were very little. We still have that. I have a lot of things from my house in Ikea. I mean, it's just very convenient. Like, great organization, great things for kids. That's the one we've got with the slots. Okay, so here in the US, they have 2 different types of bags. The blue ones that you buy, and then the yellow ones if you want to put stuff in it. So I'm just going to grab one of these. Okay, so got one of these bags, these yellow bags. I just put it in here, carry it around. I'm sure I'll get some other stuff that I'm going to put in here. And that's it. To the kids section. Got my bag right here. And what kind of toys that they have. My kids always like these. But it's for little kids. It's for, like, I don't know, ages 3 to 10, I would say. We do have nice art stuff here. Frames. Frames, really. Oh, they framed the scissors so people won't get cut. How cute. Oh, I love these little beads that you iron. You make designs. Oh, we have these markers at home too. These are great markers. And baby feeding areas, high chairs, booster chairs, potty seats, hooded towels. They have such cute baby stuff. Changing tables, cribs, crib mattresses, and then more duvets and kids bedding. Made it to the cafeteria. I don't want to film a lot of people, but I think I'm going to get something to eat right now. And basically what you do is you go up, you get your stuff, you pay for it, and then you go sit down in one of these areas over here and you grab a table. So let's go get something to eat.
Hi, Doc.
So I got a kid's mac and cheese. I'm going to show you this right here. It was only $2.50, and I just wasn't that hungry. I'm making salmon for dinner tonight, and I didn't want the salmon, so I just got a kid's meal and a drink, and I will resume the downstairs tour as soon as I finish my lunch. Okay, I'm all done with lunch. That was so delicious. Kids mac and cheese, nothing like it. All right, let's go downstairs, marketplace, and let's go check out what is going on. More hangers. Okay, look at all these kitchen gadgets, bowls, and stuff. it in brown.
Well, we do have the 60, so what our condition is.
Yeah, you can still fill in the shelves here.
This is what I was looking for. It's nice and big. I have no idea how in the world I'm going to hang it up, but yeah, let's do it. We'll try it.
There's no
Pegboard.
trucking textiles.
Okay, I got my stuff. Got my pegboard and all my accessories. Now we're headed out for the checkout. Oh, look, see, they have this too. They have it where you can mount it on the table itself. I think that might be wobbly, no? I'm not sure. Looks a little wobbly. Yeah, hooks, put everything in. It's all modular. Yeah, maybe I'll get a basket. I don't know. I bought a couple of accessories. We'll see how it goes. I may have to return some things. I may need more. We'll see. Let's go to the checkout. Except you have to pass through the lighting department on the way. And then I think after lighting is carpets. Lights. Oh yeah. Welcome mats. And then rugs. Okay. Going through the rug department into the pictures department. And after that is candles, florals, and then checkout. Oh, no, and then self-service and then checkout. Don't need any flowers today. Don't need any candles today. They have both real plants and fake plants. These are all fake. Let's go. These are all real. This looks like something from Harry Potter. Oh, it looks like they're changing over the season. Something else is coming. So they're working here. And then a self-service furniture area. I'm sure this is the same in every single country that has an Ikea. You go find your aisle and your bin. You put it together. And that's it. I'm going to grab one of these things because this pegboard is super heavy. It's not exactly the most glamorous, but it'll work. So let's go check out. So it's been a good trip. I got the stuff I needed. I showed you guys around. And we'll go to the checkout. I'm not going to film myself during the checkout, but I hope that you guys had an interesting experience. Comment below if in your country it is almost exactly the same, or if there are things that are slightly different than in America than are in your country where you're located. So I hope you liked it. After this, we're going to go to Costco. So come with me on our 2-part series of IKEA and Costco in the United States. See you soon.